Next cat over.
Okay. Today we have this cat. We found this kitty.
Oh, he is. Yep. Here you go. Put his face on it so he sees it.
And there's two cats.
They're both brothers.
And they're really cute. They're really cute.
They're kind of like the other ones. They're like a little bit bigger.
We used to have a cat named Cole, and we have the other one. His name is Cole Jr. Cole Jr. Or I call him mine. This one is called Cole the Second. Cole the Second. And what's yours?
I'm trying to
Name this one.
I'm trying to figure it out.
They're so cute, aren't they? How many subscribers will we get?
Can we have them?
No. Sorry, Kinley's allergic to cats. Whenever I was little, I would keep animals, and my parents wouldn't even know. I would keep my baby. Take him to your daddy.
No, last time we lost a cat there.
Yeah? Did they really?
Yeah, we lost a cat named Cole. You're so cute.
You're so cute. You're so cute, Cole. The Second. You're so cute.
Wait. I can speak cat. I can speak cat. They're just so cute.